Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making frozen cucumber mint and lemonade. So let's get into it. This recipe was so refreshing and delicious. So these are my ingredients right here. It doesn't take much to make this drink. You guys know I love making drinks. I'm always going to be making them. And it's the summertime. I make drinks basically every single week, but I don't always record them. But I love them, so I share them sometimes with you guys. So I'm gonna add my cucumber that I rinse and chop to my mixer, my blender, and I'm just gonna fill it up with water. And as you can see right here, I have a whole lot of water because I want this to be thinner than actual juice. We're making lemonade, not juice. If you know, like especially the Caribbean juices, they're a little thicker than like a lemonade consistency, and that's not what we want. I want lemonade consistency. So I'm using a lot of water to thin it out. So you're gonna blend this just like this. I'm going to strain it, and honestly you can add anything to this. If you have ginger, if you have chamomile, anything, you can add whatever, light herb pretty much to this drink, and it'll be really, really good. So now I'm just going to strain it. Because it's so thin, you only need to strain it once. And I'm going to add my lemons and my limes. I know in the beginning I showed you only 2 lemons and limes. I end up using like 4 lemons because it wasn't tart enough for me. So that's what I did. So I added some sugar. Add the amount of sugar you prefer. I didn't make it too sweet. And yeah, so now we're just going to blend it up with a few mint pieces, fresh mint pieces, and add some of your juice, lemonade to this, blitz it, and that's the drink. It was just really, really refreshing. It's easy to make. It's semi good for you. It does have sugar, but you could leave the sugar out. You don't have to put the sugar, or you could use agave or honey if you don't want to use sugar, and that works as well. So this is my frozen cucumber mint lemonade, and I hope someone gives it a try. So thank you guys for watching. It was refreshing and perfect for a hot summer day, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, you guys.